In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Microsoft Defender quickly and efficiently. Whether you're troubleshooting a specific issue or need to disable it temporarily for a particular software installation, I'll guide you through this task in just a few minutes. To begin, focus your attention on the bottom left corner of your screen. This is where you'll find the Start button, which looks like the Windows icon. You can simply click on this button. Alternatively, if you prefer a different approach, look for the magnifying glass icon located right beside it. This is your search tool. Once you've accessed your Start menu, locate the search bar. In this bar, you'll need to type either Windows Security or Microsoft Defender. This will help direct you straight to the app you need without having to sift through other options or menus. With the search results visible, find and click on the Windows Security app. This action takes you directly to the dashboard where all your computer's security settings and controls are neatly organized and easily accessible. After you're inside the Windows Security app, direct your attention to the section labeled Virus and Threat Protection. This is commonly displayed as a tile on the main dashboard. Clicking on this tile expands more detailed options related to your threat protection settings. Within the Virus and Threat Protection section, you'll notice a settings section labeled Virus and Threat Protection Settings. In this section, you'll find an option titled Manage Settings. Click on it to bring up a more detailed view of your protection settings. As you navigate through these settings, you'll eventually come across a toggle for real-time protection. This feature is crucial as it actively monitors your device for threats and viruses. To turn off Microsoft Defender, simply switch this toggle from on to off. You might receive a warning message about the risks of turning off real-time protection, as this action makes your system more vulnerable to threats. However, if you're sure you want to proceed, continue with the deactivation. And there, you've done it. Your Microsoft Defender real-time protection is now turned off. Remember, keeping your computer protected against viruses and threats is essential, so it's wise to turn the protection back on when it's no longer necessary to have it disabled. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Keep exploring our channel for more straightforward tech tutorials designed to make your tech journey easier and more productive.